Hi guys, this is a quick setup video for the Linksys E5600. Connect the internet cable provided by your ISP or the cable coming from your modem on the internet port behind the router. Now open your internet browser. Before that, go to your Wi-Fi settings. You'll see a Wi-Fi named Linksys E5600. The password for this network will be mentioned in the quick setup booklet provided with the router. Enter the password, click OK. Now you'll see your computer is connected to the network. You'll also see a 5 GHz network. You can just ignore that for now. While being connected on the network, on your internet browser, type in myrouter.local/. As soon as the page opens, you'll see a quick setup guide. Please be sure that to access this setup again, you'll have to reset the device again. So just do this process carefully. Now the next step is to mention the username and the password provided by your ISP. I use a ACT connection and they provide me with a username and password. You just enter that. Select your region. It's India for me. Now you have to give network name and password for your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks respectively. Once you enter that, click next. In this step, you have to enter the router password. This password will be used to access the router page. This password is very important. Please remember it. Once you enter all the details, please take a screenshot of the screen to remember all the names and password you just entered. The router is being set up now. Now in your computer's Wi-Fi settings, you'll see the two new Wi-Fi networks which you just made. I'm connecting to the 5 GHz network. Type in your new password. And there you go, it's connected. The same router page can be accessed by typing 192.168.1.1. Type in your password. There you go. You can see the router page. Under the internet connection tab, you can also see the login status as connected. The router is automatically logging in the internet connection using the user ID and the password which we provided in the first step. Now if you go to the configuration tab and under the Wi-Fi settings, you will see the two networks, 5 GHz and the 2 GHz. Here you can select the network mode, the network name, channel width and channels. I prefer to keep it as auto. Now let's check the speed. I'm connected to the 5 GHz network and I have an internet connection of 150 Mbps. This is brilliant. It's almost providing me the exact same thing. Thank you guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. I'll be uploading a lot more videos in the near future.